Robin Simon, the Haslington East Coast Demerara woman for whom the police have issued a wanted bulletin, today turned herself in to the police in the company of her lawyer, Senior Counsel Neil Boston, and Attorney at Law, Dexter Todd. The police issued a wanted bulletin on March 1st stating that Simon was wanted for acts of terrorism contrary to Section 309A1B2 of the Criminal Law Offences Act, Chapter 801, which occurred on the east coast of Demerara on the 20th of June 2022. Simon arrived at the CID office on Vicinjon Road, where she was greeted by supporters. As she made her way into the CID headquarters, Attorney at Law Dexter Todd said the wanted bulletin seemed to be the first resort, while Senior Counsel Neil Boston said Simon was arrested and the police investigation will commence soon.
We continue to see that this seems to be the last resort, using first. All right, there were no attempts to reach her at her house. She's a very well-known person. And the police have decided to use this last resort, which seems to be quite excessive. But I believe it was already done, and we want to take it from here.
They said that they have information about she involved in an act of terrorism. We don't know what are the acts. We didn't ask them what are the acts. We will know later in the day.
The move comes almost 8 months after East Coast Demerara residents mounted a protest seeking justice for Quinton Bacchus, who was shot dead by police during an operation. A policeman is currently before the court on a murder charge. The police recently issued wanted bulletins for 12 East Coast Demerara men for the same offense. So far, 10 persons were charged and granted $300,000 bail each. On March 1st, bulletins were issued for Robin Simon and Patrick Cummins for the same offense.